Okay, got it all cleaned up now. I think it looks real good. You notice right here, I did some plug welds. There was some factory holes. I did a plug weld in there, then ground that all smooth. Right here is where the kit pocket goes in there. I was tempted to weld around that, but I did not want to cause any warpage, so I didn't do it on either side. Not this side, which is inboard, or the outside. And to be honest, I think I'm going to leave these factory spring buckets on the front, because that's a lot of substantial strength right there. And I plan on hot rodding this old car, and it's not in my way. I think I'm going to leave it.